Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create this smooth logo transition on scroll using Framer without writing any code. I got the idea from this website, I'll link in the description along with the remix link for this project. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a project, then go to Insert, Wireframer and create a landing page. Since we need a layout to add scrolling, remove this navigation. We will create it from scratch. Press F on keyboard to add a frame and draw a frame like this. Drop it here. Set the width 1200 pixel, height 100 VH. Make it layout. Right click on it. Create component. Name it navigation. Remove them for now. We'll make everything responsive at the end of the video. Click here. Press T on your keyboard to add text. Select it, weight, medium, color 666. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate this. Update the text. Select all, wrap them in a stack, name it menu, and now upload our logo. Double click on it, name it Cycloto. Then lock it. Select all, lock it. Set the width 80, wrap it in a stack, name it logo. Select these two, wrap them in a stack, name it left. Width feet, name it right. Click here, width, feet. Select all, wrap them in a stack, name it content. Click here, position, absolute, align it center. And click here, distribute, space between. Now click this desktop, height, fit content, and click this content, add some padding 20, add a fill color. We can remove this fill color here. Click here, then click here to create another variant. Collapse it, name it desktop, logo large or anything you'd like. Click this content, set the height, viewport 100 VH, go to menu, scroll down, visible, no, increase the size 1100, then click this logo. We can change the position type to relative. Now create variants for tablet. Click here, width 810, and then for this 810, click the logo, reduce the size to maybe 400. Change the name here to tablet. As for this, for phones we will create 3 variants, one here and second one here, and finally one for this. Click here, name it phone, collapsed, width 350, expand it, menu, scroll down, visible, no, draw a frame, set the width 45, height 45, and inside this frame draw a frame, width 20, unpin it for now, fill color 999, then duplicate this, drop it here, name it top. As for this, bottom, align it center, also this center. Select both and position it like this. As you can see, 17 on top and 17 on the bottom. Name it icon, drag it and drop it to the logo. Click here, we can change the position to relative, width, fill, distribute, space between. Click this content, click here, set the top 0, right 10, bottom 0, left 10. Create one more variant. Click here, this top, align it center, scroll down, transform, rotate 45, then click here, transform, rotate -45, center. Then click this menu, scroll down, visible, yes, direction, vertical, then click here, vertical, also for this. And finally click this content direction vertical. Now click this logo, press up arrow on keyboard, click here, align start, then here again start, and now change the name to font expand. We can add some gap here, so select it, distribute, center. Yeah, it looks perfect. Finally create our last variant. Click here and duplicate this variant with 350, and now click here, reduce the size to I guess 300 and change the name here. Finally go to home, pages, landing, then we can simply set home page and delete this page. Switch the variant here to desktop logo large. Next we will add an empty frame and use it as a trigger. When it enters the viewport, we will switch the variant. So draw a frame, change the position to absolute and position it maybe 400. Name it trigger. Scroll down, scroll section, name it trigger. Now click here, this navigation, effects, scroll variant, trigger, section in view, viewport, top, section, trigger, set variant, desktop. Now let's see if it's working or not. No, it's not working. It's because we need to change the position type to fixed. And now let's see. Yes, it's working, but there are a couple of things we need to fix. As you can see here, we need to place it at the top. So for this, double click here, click here, align start, simply remove its fill color to see. Another thing is click here, visible no. As you can see, our content is hidden underneath it. One quick fix is set it visible again, draw a frame, drop it here, name it spacer, width, fill, height, viewport 100 VH. Now let's see. It looks better. We can make this transition more smoother. To do that, double click here, right click on it, update primary, then select it and change the name to this. Click here, transition is easy in out. Now let's see. Yeah, it looks perfect. Finally we need to show the logo again here. To do that, click here, duplicate this and place it at the bottom. Now click this footer, scroll down, scroll section, name it footer. Click this navigation, effect, add section, select the section footer, set the variant, desktop logo large. Perfect. As for the tablets and phone, change the navigation to tablet logo large. Then click this effect, section, tablet and footer, tablet logo large. As for the phone logo large. Now click this effect, trigger, phone collapsed, and on here phone logo large. Double click here, click here, this icon, drop it here. Also for this, drop it here. Now let's give it a preview to see how it looks for the tablet. As for the phone, perfect. You can spend more time polishing it if you'd like. That's pretty much it. If you have watched till now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one, inshallah.